Hello, I'm Owen and welcome back to Not in the Textbook. Today we're going to do it something slightly different, and we're going to do a bit of investigative work instead of doing all the making and creating. So I want to investigate how things balance. Okay, so we're going to make our own weighing scales today, and we're going to play around with some objects we can find around the house and see if we can find out something we don't know before. Okay. So this one's super duper easy. All I need use a glue stick for this, but you can use anything that's a similar shape because that's just going to be the base for our weighing scales today. I need a ruler. I've got a 30cm one. You can use any size you want. And I've got 3 coins that are all the same size. So I've gone for 2p's, but they're all the same size there, okay? Okay, so to set up my scales, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take my ruler, find the middle point. Because I'm on a 30cm ruler, the middle point is going to be on the 15 there, okay? So I'm just going to pop that over the middle of our glue stick there. So I've got the same amount of ruler each side. So that now is perfectly balanced, as you can see, because it's not tipping over. If it wasn't balanced, one side would go and it would all flip over and we'd have a bit of a mess on our hands. So I'm going to show you what I mean now. By adding more weight to one side, I can unbalance the ruler, can't I? So I'm going to add 1 2p coin to this side. And there we go. He's tipped over this. So he was imbalanced there, okay? So what we're going to do next, set it up again. This time we're going to take 2 2p coins. We're going to place them on at the same time. And because the mass is the same size on both sides, the ruler is still balanced, so it's not going to tip over. Right then, so we've done a lovely job there, getting those nicely balanced with 1 2p piece on each side of the ruler there. But I did at the start say to get 3 2p's, and I'm not going to take the guess stuff if we're not going to use it, okay? So we need to find a place to put the third one then, okay? And keep it still balanced. So the easy one for me to do is just pop him straight in the middle there and he stays balanced because the same mass is on each side, so we're okay. However, the challenge comes when I would like you to put 2 coins on one side of the ruler and 1 coin on the other. So, can you think, where have I got to put my coins to balance it up? I'm going to give you a couple of seconds just to play around and then I'm going to give you a bit of a hint then, okay? Okay, have we solved it? If not, don't worry, we're going to have a little look through it. If you have, smashing job, well done. So, I'm going to reset my weighing scales with the 15 in the middle, so I've got the equal amount each side. Now, what I'm going to do, to make the force pushing down on each side of the ruler the same, I'm going to place 1 2p on the side, right on the edge of the ruler, and the 2 2p's in a pile in the middle on the other side. And as you can see, he's still perfectly balanced, even though I've got 2 coins on that side and 1 coin on that side. So, your challenge is, can I use anything else to do this? And what would happen if I doubled the amount of coins? Would I still have the same result? Let us know, get in touch. We've been Not in the Textbook. Thank you for watching, and the seesaw's at the bottom. Thank you very much.